If your Pixlr Workspace is frozen, not loading properly, or crashing when you try to open a file, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into the editor and keep working without frustration. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's get into it. The first thing to try is a hard refresh. This is the quickest official fix for a frozen workspace, and it often clears out temporary browser issues right away. While you are on the Pixlr editor page, press Ctrl plus F5 on your keyboard. On some keyboards or browsers, you may need to use Command plus Shift plus R on a Mac, but the goal is the same. Force the browser to ignore the cached version and load the latest version of the tool. A lot of workspace issues happen because the browser is holding onto old files, so this step alone can solve the problem in seconds. If the workspace is still acting up after refreshing, the next step is to test Pixlr in Incognito or private mode. Open a new Incognito window in Chrome or a private window in your browser of choice and then go to pixlr.com. If the editor loads correctly here, that is a strong sign that one of your browser extensions is blocking the workspace. Ad blockers and privacy extensions are the most common causes. At that point, go back to your normal browser window and disable your extensions one by one until you find the one causing the issue. This is a simple but very effective way to isolate the problem without guessing. Now let's check your browser's graphics settings. Because Pixlr relies on WebGL and hardware acceleration to display the workspace properly, go into your browser settings and search for hardware acceleration. Make sure it is turned on. This allows your browser to use your device's graphics power instead of relying only on the CPU. Then open get.webgl.org to verify that your browser supports WebGL. If WebGL is not enabled or supported, Pixlr may fail to render the interface correctly, and that can make the workspace appear blank, frozen, or broken. If you are on a device with outdated drivers or an old browser version, updating those may also help. If you are still seeing the same issue, the next fix is to clear site data for Pixlr only. This is different from clearing your full browser history, and it is much safer because it targets just the corrupted files connected to Pixlr. Click the menu icon next to your address bar, then go into Cookies and Site Settings, and choose the option to delete data for Pixlr. This removes temporary files, broken cookies, and cached settings that may be freezing the workspace loading screen. After clearing the site data, refresh Pixlr and sign back in if needed. In many cases, this step fixes repeated loading errors instantly. Finally, if your workspace crashes when opening a file, you need to check file compatibility. First, make sure your file name does not include special characters. For example, rename something like image number 1 to image1. Keep the file name simple and clean. Next, check the file format. Pixlr works best with common formats like JPG and PNG. If you are trying to open something like TIFF, that can cause problems in the web editor and may crash the workspace immediately. So if a file will not open, rename it properly and convert it to a supported format before trying again. So to quickly recap, start with a hard refresh, test in Incognito mode, enable hardware acceleration and WebGL, clear Pixlr site data only, and then check file names and file types. Following these steps in order will solve most Pixlr Workspace errors without wasting time. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.